Hey everyone! Today I'm heading to Yodobashi Camera in Osaka with my friend. Inspired by my Sony Alpha A6000, he's decided to start his photography journey and is picking up the Sony Alpha A6400. We'll check out the store, ride the train back home with the camera, unbox it, and even test it out with some sample shots and footage to see how it performs for a beginner. Let's dive in. Yodobashi Camera is a paradise for anyone into tech and gadgets. My friend has been eyeing the Sony Alpha A6400, a mirrorless powerhouse that's perfect for both photos and videos. With the two included lenses, a 16 to 50mm for general use, and a 55 to 210mm for telephoto shots, it's a complete starter kit for his photography adventures. We noticed two versions available: the Japan-exclusive model, which has menus mostly in Japanese, and the international version with full English menus. The Japanese version tends to be slightly cheaper, so it's worth considering if you're comfortable navigating Sony's system in Japanese. One of the perks of shopping in Japan is the tax-free option. If you're a tourist or a temporary resident who's been in Japan for less than a year, you can save 10% on your purchase. All you need is your passport and proof of arrival. Now that the purchase is done, we're heading home by train with his brand new gear. On the train ride back, we couldn't stop talking about the possibilities this camera offers. The Sony Alpha A6400 is lightweight and travel-friendly, making it perfect for capturing moments on the go. He's already excited to test it out. The Alpha A6400 is packed with impressive specs that make it a versatile choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. A 24.2 megapixel APS-C X-CMOS sensor for high-resolution images with stunning detail. The latest Bion's X image processor for faster performance and excellent low-light results. 4K video recording without any crop. Perfect for capturing ultra-high-definition footage. An impressive 425 phase detection autofocus points covering 84% of the frame, combined with real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking for fast, precise focus. A fully articulating 3-inch LCD touchscreen that flips 180 degrees, ideal for vlogging or selfies. A high-resolution XGA OLED electronic viewfinder, 2.36 million dots for clear previews. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC for easy sharing and remote control via the Sony Imaging Edge app. 11 FPS continuous shooting, ensuring you never miss the action. A wide ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable to 102,400 for flexibility in low light. The autofocus system on the A6400 is fantastic. It has 425 phase detection points and real-time eye autofocus, which makes it incredibly easy to focus on faces and eyes, even for beginners. The 24.2 megapixel sensor produces sharp, vibrant images with plenty of detail. For videos, the A6400 records uncropped 4K at up to 30 FPS and Full HD 1080p at up to 120 fps, allowing for beautiful slow-motion footage. Though the A6400 lacks in-body stabilization, we still got smooth results using the optical steady shot in the lenses. The fully articulating touchscreen makes it easy to frame shots, focus on specific points, or navigate menus quickly. This is especially helpful for vlogging or capturing creative angles. Now for the fun part, unboxing the Sony Alpha A6400. Let's see what's inside. The box includes the Sony Alpha A6400 camera body, 2 lenses, the compact 16 to 50 mm for wide and general shots, and the 55 to 210 mm telephoto for zoomed-in details, a battery pack, charging setup, cable and strap, and the usual manuals and warranty. The 16 to 50 mm lens is great for landscapes, street photography, and general use, while the 55 to 210 mm lens is ideal for portraits and capturing distant subjects. Together, they're perfect for anyone starting out. Here's what we think about the Sony Alpha A6400. Advantages are a high-resolution 24.2 megapixel sensor and the powerful Bions X processor deliver excellent image and video quality. The autofocus system is top-notch with real-time eye autofocus and tracking that even beginners will appreciate. Uncropped 4K video and the option for slow motion at 1080p make it a great choice for videographers. The flip-up LCD touchscreen is a big bonus for vlogging and creative angles. Compact and lightweight, ideal for traveling or everyday use. Some of the disadvantages are no in-body image stabilization, so you'll need to rely on OSS lenses or a tripod for smoother shots. Battery life is decent but could be better. Carry spares for longer shoots. The menu system can feel overwhelming to a beginner, though the customizable buttons help once you learn it. If you're just starting out in photography, the Sony Alpha A6400 is a fantastic camera to learn and grow with. Don't be afraid to experiment with the different shooting modes and settings. Practice makes perfect, so get out there and start capturing the world around you. Take advantage of the wealth of online resources available, from tutorials to inspiration galleries. And most importantly, have fun and let your creativity run wild. This camera is your tool to tell stories, capture emotions, and share your unique perspective with the world. So go ahead, dive in, and embrace the wonderful world of photography. My friend is thrilled to start his photography journey with the Sony Alpha A6400, and I'm excited to see the shots he will create. If you're considering this camera, the dual lens kit and tax-free savings in Japan make it a great choice.
そしてまた矢倉のお手がちょっと変わりますのでお時間を頂戴いたします。
Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or tips for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. See you in the next video.